Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Lazy Mentor. In this video I'm going to share with you new data extraction project which I got on Upwork. I will show you everything step by step live on screen, so just keep watching this video so that you can understand everything clearly. So first I want to show you the client instruction, then we will begin working on this project. So here is the client instruction. He shared the script can take information from this list. So here is the one list. I have already opened this list here in Google and my Chrome browser. So the next information is the name of institution, email, phone number, email, location, address. So I have already write all of this information in my Excel file. You can see name of the institution, phone number, email and location address. So this was the 35 project dollar of this sample word, just copy and paste word. So I have already opened this file as I told you before. So now we have to copy this institution name from this list. So here are I think 100 list totally, maybe later. So now we have to copy all this information from here. So just open this link, just copy this information and then just paste it in Google. After pasting in Google, we can also paste this institution name here in our Excel file, and then we have to come in down here and now we have to copy this location address. So just copy this location address and then we have to paste it here. Okay, the next entry are very simple. Just copy this contact number from here. I just copy and now we have to paste it here. Okay, so just email address left. So let's also collect the email address. So to collect the email address, just write here email address with this university name. So I have write this. Now you can see we have found the email address of this institution. So just copy this email address and then we have to paste it here. It depends on client. If your client told you that collect the principal email address of this institution, so then you have to find their email address. But my client told me that just copy the email address, so I'm just copying the email address of this institution. So we have complete our one entry, then we have to remove this. So now we have to copy this institution name and email address. So just copy this institution name and paste it in Google, and now I have to also paste it here in this sheet. So now we have to copy the telephone number of this institution. So just copy this contact number, just copy this number and now we have to paste it here. Okay, that's pretty simple work. Now we have to copy the location address. So just copy this location address from here. Okay, now we have to paste it here. Okay, so now we have to copy the email address. To copy the email address, just simply write email address here with this institution. So you will be find the email address here in this first page. So here you can see here the email address. So just copy this email address. After copying the email address, just paste it here. So pretty simple work, guys. So I have done this project by just doing this simple copy and paste work, and I earned $35 on Upwork. So you can also do the same work by providing this kind of service to your client on Upwork and Fiverr.com. So if you want to learn more related to data entry, you can subscribe my YouTube channel. I have already uploaded many other videos related to this. So once again, thank you so much for watching my videos. I will give this link in the video description. So if you want to do practice on that, you can also do the practice. But if you don't have a Google Sheet, you can MS Office, you can use a Google Sheet. It's pretty simple. You can work on this project and you can create a data extraction portfolio for yourself. Just complete this work and then you can show to your client that I have data